Tonight, we delve into the heart of the Christmas story, not through Santa's eyes, but through the enduring spirit of his most loyal companions, the reindeer. The origin of Santa's reindeer is as steeped in magic as Christmas itself. While early tales spoke of flying horses, it was Clement C. Moore's 1823 poem, A Visit from St. Nicholas, that first immortalized 8 tiny reindeer with names that now echo through generations: Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donder, and Blitzen. These weren't just animals, they were chosen, hand-picked for their strength, their speed, and most importantly, their unwavering belief in the spirit of giving. But what truly makes them fly? Is it magic dust? The secret, some say, lies in their hearts. Now, for some fascinating truths you might not know about these legendary creatures. Did you know that both male and female reindeer grow antlers? Unlike most deer species, female reindeer retain their antlers through Christmas, a perfect fit for pulling Santa's sleigh. And while we often imagine them tiny, real reindeer are robust animals, perfectly adapted to the frigid Arctic. Their thick coats and large hooves are built for snow and ice. Imagine the stamina needed to circumnavigate the globe in a single night. But beyond the biology lies the mystery. The true 9th reindeer, Rudolph, with his nose so bright, teaches us a profound lesson. He wasn't chosen for perfection, but for his unique difference, turning a perceived flaw into his greatest strength. These reindeer, from the spirited Dasher to the guiding light of Rudolph, represent more than just magical helpers. They embody perseverance and teamwork. They are the silent engines of joy, carrying not just gifts, but hope. As Christmas Eve approaches and you gaze at the stars, remember the journey, the unadulterated heart of these magnificent creatures. They remind us that the greatest gifts are often unseen: the love, the kindness, and the magic we carry within ourselves. So, this year, let their silent journey inspire you. Be a beacon of kindness. Share your light with the world. Follow for more.